Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to work with two books. Okay? We are going to start with the student book. And you have to open your book to pages 22 and 23. Let's see. Let's have the instructions. So let's go. You are going to see that the two pages are in a different position. That's to make it easier. Okay? So, what's this? This is an apartment building. And I would like you to write numbers, as you can see here in this picture. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You are going to observe what people are doing. We have the sentences here, and you are going to match the pictures to the sentences. So let's see the sentences you are going to write. She's singing. She's playing the guitar. She's taking a photo. He's drawing. They're playing video game. She's painting. They're online. He's sleeping. She's on the phone. And he's watching TV. As we can see, we have 10 sentences here, but we have only 8 pictures. So, you have to write 10 sentences, and you have to draw 2 pictures. Number 3, you are going to draw this sentence. Is watching TV. Number 9, you are going to draw. She's on the phone. Okay? But where are you going to write the sentences? My activities. Okay? You are going to write 10 sentences on this book. Like this example here. Number 1, from number 1 to number 10. Okay? So let's review all the steps. Let's review what you have to do. Student book, pages 22, 23. Okay? First, number the pictures. Then, draw number 3, draw number 9. Okay? Copy all these 10 sentences on my activities. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed. See you next time. Bye-bye.